Hello guys!
So we're back here to our account because last year na-delete account namin and then we're eating Jollibee! Yay! And that's a bread, bro!
What about this?
A bread too.
No, that's sandwich or paper.
Ano?
We have no Coke.
Yeah. This is the Coke.
Not Coke.
Malamig yan. Ito, inumin mo pa ito.
Pag-English tayo na dyan. Bro, can I drink? Pag-English tayo na
Okay.
sasabihin natin.
I wanna do this if it's my birthday. Ew, that's like life.
It's her birthday, guys. Say happy.
Next month. Next month.
Yan, hindi kami magba-birthday, mag-aircon kami. Look lang.
Ay, saka ka rin. Ayan ka na naman.
Saka ako lang.
No!
Aba. Kumalbo!
What the? Look at this burger. Look at mine.
It's yum yum. Luhat. Yum 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 yum. Luhat.
Since 1980.
Sakari. Luhat. Yum 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 yum. I don't know burger.
What the fuck? We're gonna get demonetized.
Ay, nakapulan siya na ako.
Bye-bye, Inay.
Bye bye, Panty. Gusto mo? Asa ka.
Magugutom siya.
Joke lang.
Go! Oh no, there.
I'm double.
Ay, nako, harutan na naman ang harutan.
I got wet.
And then you
Yeah, I see it to the camera.
Bye-bye, guys.
Oh, nom, nom, nom. I accidentally pushed in my head and it's about to cut this thing out.
It's not closed. It's open. Why you just smush it again?
Go get a bottle cap.
I cannot see it.
You're dumb.
You're so dumb. Kinain ng buho yung... What the fuck?
I choke on a burger.
Why? You fuck. You dumb fuck.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.